Last week we picked up this Honda CB350 from Germany. The bike is completely restored by the former owner. Engine completely rebuilt. All pictures, video, everything with the bike. The Baby 4, great sound, this one. Very cool bike. These 350s are getting very popular now because many people who are a bit older come from the 750, which is getting too heavy, and then the 350 is a bike they can handle easy. It's light, it's beautiful. The engine is completely rebuilt. We have a lot of pictures of the bike restored. It's 73. Engine looks really good. So very beautiful CB350. So if you're interested in the Baby 4, the 350, contact me to give you more information, detailed pictures, and of course price. And if you have a name of the harbor or an address, we can make you an offer for delivery. No problem at all. We ship by land, by sea, by air. So thank you for watching again, and keep following us. Thank you. Bye bye.